How do genetics influence new mole appearance? Imagine your skin as a canvas that tells a story about your family history and your environment. When it comes to new moles appearing on your skin, genetics play a crucial role in shaping that story. Moles, or melanocytic nevi, are clusters of pigment-producing cells called melanocytes. These cells can multiply and form moles due to a mix of inherited genetic factors and what you're exposed to in your environment. Certain gene mutations you inherit from your family can make you more prone to developing multiple moles. For example, mutations in the gene called CDKN2A are linked to a condition known as familial atypical multiple mole melanoma syndrome. People with this syndrome tend to have many atypical moles and a higher risk of developing melanoma, a serious form of skin cancer. This pattern is inherited in an autosomal dominant way, which means just one copy of the mutated gene can increase your risk. Most moles, however, are caused by mutations that you acquire over your lifetime. The most common of these is a mutation in the BRAF gene. This mutation is found in about half of all melanomas and many benign moles. It influences how cells grow and divide, which can lead to mole formation. But scientists are still studying exactly how benign moles might turn into melanoma, so the process isn't fully understood yet. Genetics also interact with environmental factors. Sun exposure, especially ultraviolet radiation, can damage your DNA and cause mutations in melanocytes. People with lighter skin tones or certain genetic backgrounds are more sensitive to UV damage, increasing their chances of developing new moles or changes in existing ones. This means that even if you have a genetic predisposition, protecting your skin from the sun can significantly reduce your risk. In some hereditary syndromes, mutations in other genes like BAP1 or NRAS are also linked to mole development and melanoma risk. These genetic factors don't act alone but work together with environmental influences to shape your skin's appearance and health. Understanding how genetics influence new mole appearance helps us recognize who might be at higher risk for skin cancer. If you have many moles or a family history of melanoma, it's important to monitor your skin regularly and seek professional advice for any new or changing moles. Protecting your skin from the sun by wearing protective clothing and using broad-spectrum sunscreen can help prevent DNA damage that leads to new moles or melanoma. Genetic testing can sometimes identify high-risk mutations, but it's not routinely used for every mole evaluation. In summary, your genes influence new mole appearance through inherited mutations that predispose you to develop multiple or atypical moles, and through mutations acquired during your lifetime. This genetic background, combined with sun exposure and other environmental factors, shapes your skin's landscape and your risk for skin cancer. Always remember to consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice and regular skin checks to keep your skin healthy and safe.